Today we are at the Huntington Beach Airshow. The demonstrations start out with the Blackfly, a fixed-wing, ultralight, all-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. It can carry one person and a bit of luggage, and it is made up of 8 propellers. As a light aircraft, it can fly up to 62 miles per hour. It is a bit of a cloudy and rainy day today, so a good portion of the aerobatics in military aircraft have been delayed. While looking at the cool booths and static displays at the Airshow, you can do some shopping of your own and support the channel by checking out our Patreon, online store, or subscribing to our email newsletter. Links for our Patreon, online store, and email newsletter are all found below in the description. Any money received through Patreon or merch will be used to increase the frequency and quality of our content. On Patreon, we have options for every budget with awesome perks such as exclusive included merch, early access to videos, and your name in the credits. Don't want to support our channel monetarily but really enjoy our content? Subscribe to our email newsletter for updates and your chance to win an on-the-fly travel luggage tag with one of these designs on January. We see some flybys of fighter jets until they can really come out and play. Finally, some prop jobs are able to show us a few tricks despite the low ceiling. Later we get a low flyby of a FedEx Boeing 757. Yesterday, Donald Trump's 757 did the low pass. To get out of the rain, I head back to the hotel to watch, with the hope the Thunderbirds will be able to perform their full routine later. That's a pro tip. Stay at a hotel when you go to this air show. Otherwise, it'll be a pain looking for parking, and also you would have to sit in a lot of traffic. Another option is to just Uber. Either way, it's going to be expensive, whether you pay for parking, stay at a hotel, or if you Uber. Modern fighters escorting World War II's P-51 Mustang. It's the Thunderbirds. Blue skies ahead. Let's rock and roll! Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest jet of all? The F-16 Fighting Falcon! The famous diamond formation. Whoa! Finale fireworks! You should go to the Huntington Beach Airshow when you get a chance. Catch you on the fly.